So hey, it's me again. It's Saturday night. Just doing a little bit of relaxing, doing a little bit of coughing, been sick. I just thought I would cleanse my skin, and this is all samples. Never mind that, it's unfinished as usual. What I'm going to use for my face tonight is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Cleansing Gel. Okay, and to clean with, it says mask remover, but I'm guessing you could probably cleanse your face with these. They're from Eco Tools, and I think I got them in a Walmart beauty box. Okay, after that, it's going to dry my face. And we're going to do the black mask. Okay, so let's just get started. Alright, that's what they look like. They're a little bit rough, but I have wrinkles and I need all the help I can get. So let's hope it takes off some dead skin. Alright, let's just get started. I've said that twice now. This is just good old water from my water cooler. I could say Starbucks, but they're not famous for water, are they? At least I don't think so. So, okay, I'm gonna wet my sponge. Gonna put a little bit of the Tarte. Actually, let's wet my face first. I got some Tarte mascara on, so let's hope it brings that out. Off. I meant off, okay? I meant off. Go ahead, make fun. Alright. My face is pretty much ready to be scrubbed off with this Tarte stuff. So let's just put a little bit on it. Okay, I hadn't used this yet. Ooh, my face is burning. It smells like something I've used before. Though I don't know what. Ooh, why is my lips burning? They feel like they're on fire. It could be the 25 pounds of Taco Bell that I ate before this video. Yes, you heard it. I ate 25 pounds of Taco Bell. Yep. But I'm really liking the way this Tarte feels on my face. Okay. I'm assuming when you do the black mask, you need to have a clean face. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh, that water's cold. Oh goodness. Oh, I just got water all over me. I'm still here. I'm still here just waiting on some hot water. Okay. Alright, let's get this. Let's get this show on the road. I don't know. This may not be the best thing to cleanse with. Maybe it really is for masks. That's okay. Like I said, I like the roughness. Because I feel like I have a lot of dead skin on my face. I don't know what this black mask is supposed to do, but I hope it does what it's supposed to do, because what? We're just gonna make it work. Okay. Yeah. Probably use a cloth next time for that cleanser. But okay. My face is clean. It's thoroughly rinsed. Let's dry it off. Okay. Ooh. I don't know. My nose is getting red now too. What the heck? I don't know. This is making me a little nervous. But here's the mask. Let me make sure that I'm dry. I'm not going to be like some of those people that get it in my hair or my eyelashes. Not doing it. That looks painful. So let's just get started. Make sure none of my hair is in the way. Okay. Alright, I have it on. It's as good as it gets, you guys. I'm gonna wash my hands off. And I'm assuming that I have to wait until this does what it does. So, I'm going to go sit in the living room. It's a little cold in this bathroom. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. It is dry. This has dried, as you can see. It started coming off around the edges. So let's just get started and peel this off. I have got a cloth here. Okay. Ow. I don't know how that you tell if it has brought anything off, but that hurts. Oh! Ow! No.
you guys. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm done. Black mask 1, me 0. I'm done. I can't do it. Look how red my face is. My face is very soft right now. I'm gonna have to put cold water on it just to cool it down. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can all see that red on there. Whew. Alright guys, look at my face. Look at it. That stuff really, really, really hurt. You can see the red splotches. Nope, not again, never again. This stuff, well, I did learn that I have a beard and I have a mustache. No.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching and have a great, great night.